Hello everyone, welcome to Tech India. Today we are here to unbox Flipkart SmartBuy charger. So let's get started. This is Flipkart SmartBuy charger which I have purchased from Flipkart at rupees only 129 in Flipkart Big Billion Day sales. So you can see that I have purchased it from rupees 129 only. So let's get started unboxing. So after unboxing it, so first we get this bill of Flipkart SmartBuy charger. You can see it is Flipkart SmartBuy charger and I got it off only 129 rupees. So you can put it here. After that we get this box and in this we get this charger. Opening this wrap, we can see this price written here 499, but I got it off only 129. So it is 2 ampere charger and it has one cable too. So after opening it, we get this white color charger because I have ordered white color. So we get this type of data cable which is very thick and it is of very good quality. You can see it is very thick. And we get this travel adapter with BIS certified rating and it is made in India. So it is very good that it is made in India and it is BIS certified. And you can see that its output input is 100 volt 240 100 of 240 volt and its output is 5 volt 2 amp by charger. And we get this SmartBuy guide. It is of waste only, no one read this. So we can see that it is of very good quality and we get this SmartBuy charger in its very good quality. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, so please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. So this is Tushar and taking off and again welcome to Tech India. Thank you.